Hey, what's up, fishing foes? I'm here with my boy Danny and my boy Mark. Y'all can't really see him; he's passed out in the back. So we've already gotten in the water. We were gigging. We got 3 so far. I got 2. Mark got 1. I stole Danny's, but I got a little trigger happy. But we're on our way to the next spot. We actually had to drive a little bit to this one. We in old Galveston. We're on the island. We're gonna go hit this spot over here and see what happens. But enjoy the video, guys. This is just gonna be a lot of flounder slaying tonight. So what y'all see is what we got, and we'll see what happens at the end of the video. But I'll catch y'all guys on the GoPro in about a millisecond. So. This is a big man team. Yeah, I got 1. Alright, baby. This one. Just open the last one. Or just open one of them, it don't matter. Open this one real quick. Or something. Light at least. Nowhere, buddy. Hey, what's up, fishing foes? Alright, y'all seen we were gigging last night. It's actually late in the day. I slept all day. We didn't get home until late last night. We went on a run to Galveston, which was a bust. Where I did the intro, yeah, that was a bust of a drive. Wasted a lot of time. But we only got 3 last night. Gave my buddy got 1. I got 2, so I gave 1 to my other friend who didn't get 1. So that's what we got last night. Nice little flatty. Go ahead and clean them up. We're gonna do a blackened flounder. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a blackened flounder recipe, and we're gonna see what happens and just let it ride. Rock out. I'm gonna go ahead and film on the chesty so y'all can actually see me clean everything. So let me transfer over to the chesty. So.
things right here. Warning, this next part's gonna be a little gruesome, so he had a fish in him. What did he eat? Like a croaker or some sort. That just tells you how big baits are. Wow, that's crazy. Eating process of the flounder. Cut out all the bones later, because I know I got some. It's clear.
Alright, so this guy has been filleted, as you just seen. And my girlfriend asked for blackened flounder. I don't know how to make blackened flounder, so I'm going to look up a YouTube video and learn how to do it. And if I like it, we'll try it. But right now, this is kind of an up in the air catch and cook. But I'll catch our guys when we get to the kitchen or maybe the grocery store. So I'll see y'all in about 2 seconds your time. So actually, here's something I need to understand when waiting. There's dangers out there beyond the actual issue of the flounder. You need to watch out for stingrays. As you're about to see in this next clip I'm going to roll, we actually killed one because he was running up on us, and we didn't kill him and let him die. We killed him and gave him to my buddy. He's a shark fisherman, and he was using him as shark bait. So it went to a good use. I don't kill fish unless I have to. And that situation, it probably didn't need to, but I knew my buddy also needed bait, so it's kind of a reaction stab. So this is what you need to look out for in this next clip. So I'm going to go ahead and just go. What's up, guys? Alright, we're in the kitchen later in the day. I was going to plan on cooking this earlier, but it just didn't turn out. So simple recipe is going to simple. It's going to have just going to be blackened flounder with a side of vegetables, which is going to be carrots and squash. I'm going to show you how to do this. I went lazy. I didn't feel like cooking carrots, so I'm going to go ahead and just throw these in the microwave real quick, and then I'm going to cut these up and saute these, and then I'll show you how we're going to cook the flounder. So you want to see me cut these? I guess I can throw that in there real quick. I'll switch to chesty for a second. Alright, guys, so we're going to do blackened flounder. I'm cooking that in there first. We're going to use Old Bay seasoning because I'm out of Tony's. I haven't restocked. So from what I'm assuming, blackened seasoning's a dry rub. So make sure your meat is dry and not all wet. Actually, a YouTuber just did this recipe the other day. No, he did blackened Spanish mackerel. I'll probably watch him. Thrasher. I think that's what. Yeah, he did Spanish mackerel, but he did flounder the other day. I forgot how he cooked it, but I decided to do blackened because I've never done blacking anything, so that didn't work. I'm going to rub that around a little bit. Probably way too much seasoning, but smells good. Alright, guys, we're actually going to wait and just let this finish, and finished cooking the squash. We're gonna pair this with a bag carrots like y'all seen. These are actually hot. I just microwaved them. I didn't feel like cooking them, so I'm gonna let these done, and then I'll get back to you guys here in a second. So see what happens. We'll see what happens. Adding the coconut oil, guys. You see that thing melts quick with this heat. It's really hot. Pan's a lot hotter than I thought. I actually turned it down a little bit so it can cool off. Man, this thing's hot. So, we're going to do, go ahead and take our pieces of flounder, lay them down in that grease, and get the oil and get them blackened. Come get closer for this. So we're gonna let these things cook for a little bit. I think we're gonna do probably like 2-3 minutes on each side. Should be fine. The grease is really hot, so I'll get back to you guys when we're about to flip them. We'll do this piece. I like this piece. I like this piece. Blackened flounder with our copper pennies. Then we're going to take some of this stuff over here. Squash. Sure, squash. That sauce, that butter sauce I made. Booyah! I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning to these carrots, just to try it, and then let's go ahead and give it a bite. This is actually my first time having not any type of blackened fish, but blackened flounder, of course. So give it a shot. It's real flaky, like really flaky. Great stuff. It's alright. I mean, it's a new recipe. But squash is always good. But yeah, it's one of the easier recipes you can do at home if you want, guys. Go ahead, guys, if you haven't done yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Actually, the next video you're going to see uploaded is going to be the giveaway video. I will be giving away the rod and the God line. So if you want to go ahead and do that, stay tuned. Turn on the post notifications so you can be the first one to get entered. Again, it's going to be random drawn. If we have more people entered, I might do like an online randomizer. But as for right now, probably my brother, or comment who y'all want to see people I film with, who y'all want to see pick the winner of the next giveaway. But I'll catch you guys here on the next episode in about a week. So I'll see y'all guys later. Remember, smash that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys later.